Hey creators! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Animate on your PC or Mac for free, using Adobe's completely legal 14-day free trial option. Adobe usually provides a 1-week trial for individual plans, but today, we're choosing the business plan, which gives us 14 full days to explore all the animation tools. So, click the link in the description to follow along, and let's get started. First, head over to the official Adobe website using the link in the description. This will take you directly to the Adobe Animate trial page, where you'll see an option to start a free trial. Instead of selecting the individual 7-day trial, we're going with the business plan, which gives us 14 days free. It's the same process, but with extra time to test the software. Once you've selected your trial, sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick to set one up. Just enter your email and follow the instructions. Adobe will then ask for payment details, but rest assured, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. To ensure your peace of mind, I recommend setting a reminder on your phone so you don't forget. After setting up the trial, Adobe will redirect you to download Creative Cloud, which is the platform you'll use to install Animate. Once Creative Cloud is installed, open the app and find Adobe Animate in the list. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. The installation might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, but once it's done, you're good to go. Open Animate, and you'll have full free access to test all of its features for 14 days. And that's it. You now have Adobe Animate free for 14 days, giving you an exciting opportunity to create animations, explore motion graphics, and test all the tools. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends if you decide not to continue. Click the link in the description to get your free trial now. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video tutorial.